Alrighty, so we finished making our bucket. Like in the other video I showed you, we just drilled the holes and then you line it with your landscape fabric, tape it down on the top, and then you take your piece of rope, stick it through the hole in the bottom. You drilled holes in the bottom of the bucket, and then you hang the rope through the hole into a bucket of water, and then the other end of the rope you kind of just lay down over the top. You put your dirt in, and then you kind of crisscross the rope a little bit, put more dirt in, crisscross the rope a little bit, put more dirt in, and you top it off. So anyway, the rope kind of snakes up through the dirt and it wicks up the moisture from the bottom. You're still going to want to transplant, you're still going to want to put water on the top a little bit and everything to get your transplants going. But this is the closest I've come to a self-watering system that seems to work pretty good. But today, we're going to put in carrots, because I want to see if carrots grow down into the bucket to a point you can grow them indoors. So anyway, there's where we're at. And here's our carrots. We got one zucchini back here, but these are carrots started in the little peat pots. See, there's a little tiny bit of root growth coming out of that one. Some roots coming out of the bottom a little bit. I mean, you can't see it that well. That's a little better, I guess. Anyway, so we're going to put the carrots in this 5-gallon bucket. Just dig our little holes, drop in the peat pot, and we're going to see if carrots grow, if this is deep enough to grow carrots in indoors. And then I tweaked the little grow room a little bit too, which we'll go over later. So standard 5-gallon bucket, drill a few holes, put in your landscape fabric so the dirt doesn't fall out of the holes. There's a couple 3 holes in the bottom, and then one right in the center that I ran the rope through. Standard Miracle-Gro potting soil. And I germinated these carrots from what you saw in the other video. These are the ones we germinated individually and then just put 1 carrot seed in each little peat pot. I'd have to check the dates, but I think that was about 2 weeks ago. So we're going to plant these carrots. Cool. Ta-da. Carrots. So what's up, all? Welcome back to MobyTrails.com. Remember the carrots and potatoes we put in a bucket here a couple months ago? The carrots are 3 months and 2 days old. It's June 19th. We put those down in March. And this went down in late February. Potatoes are 4 months old. I've heard that when potatoes are ready, these will die, turn yellow, get crispy, kind of die off. Well, I had a center batch already do that, and then these were like outside branches that came to life really pretty good when I put it outside. Well, it's 4 months. I'm going to see what potatoes look like in 4 months, and I'm going to see what carrots look like in 3 months, grown in buckets, and this might give me a little bit of an idea of how hard it would be to do, like through winter indoors or just in a inside garden. Noticed I had a pest problem on my carrots, so it's probably time for them to go. So let's see what these look like, man. So this is going to be a pass or fail, live, even for me. It's not a fail, but they're not as big as I was expecting. And I can always re-sow that one, right? Eat that, Martian. So Got some stewing potatoes. My little babies. So yeah, these could have gone longer. 4 months. And notice that was the wicked grow pot. Sits on a bowl of water with those in them. Even outside here, it was in a bucket. I did water it like normal too, but so yeah. So not as good as I had, not as good as I had hoped, although I didn't really know what to expect, but certainly not a fail. So yeah, sweet. That's a dinner, which is cool, but it's a dinner every 3 months, so I think you'd starve. So you're gonna need several more buckets. So to start with, so potatoes, yay! Check out these carrots. Get your carrot stalks out of the way. Kind of not a duplication of effort. What would that be? It's counterproductive or whatever. Counter. Hey, look, we can reuse the landscape fabric. Yay. Oh, these look like they might be small too. Yeah. What is that? There's your, oh, I'll eat that. Carrots. You know what? Now keep in mind, these were all in those little peat boxes. And I don't know, man, but I still say the peat boxes stunted their growth, retarded their growth, disallowed their full carrot making abilities. So kind of stumpy. It's been 3 months. So again, it's not a fail. But look at that, man. That was in the ground and I'm like, whoa, look at that carrot. Whoa, dude. You pull it down, it's like, ba-doo. See, peat pot. Look at that. I don't know, man. If you're going to germinate and transplant carrots, I highly recommend you don't keep them in the peat pot. But keep in mind, this is indoors. Yeah, I know I brought them outside here. Okay, I cheated, but this was in a bucket inside with grow lights. So, hey. Look at that one. Look at, here's your peat pot. Oh, poor little carrot. You know what I like about this too is you don't have to dig into the ground for like the potatoes or whatever and then run the risk of whatever, cutting them in half or whatever, contaminating them with the shovel, whatever. So yay. I'm gonna say that's a win. Here's your carrots. Grown in a pot in about 3 months. Sweet. So we're gonna have stew tonight. Carrots and taters. Or itty bitty teeny tiny French fries. I don't think I'm gonna put that much work into them. It's stew. Yeah, man. So cool. Thanks for stopping into MobyTrails.com. Grow 'em while you can, man. I'm telling you. Talk to y'all soon. Sure.